Once upon a time, our backyard looked quite different. It was a mess for a few years, but during the landscaping process, and thanks to a few little critters, in the summer of 2020, Juan and I were treated to a very pleasant backyard surprise. Sunflowers are such happy plants to have in your garden, don't you think? And we got quite a few actually this year. Funny thing is, we didn't plant any of them. They're all thanks to those stupid little annoying little creatures called chipmunks. Everything you see here, with the exception of I think a handful back in there, the taller ones against the fence, were planted by Juan. But all of these little sunflowers and big sunflowers are courtesy of Charlie the chipmunk. But there's a few interesting ones here actually. Like the first one I just showed you is our happy-go-lucky guy. We have a couple down here, like swear to God, these are not even a foot tall and they already have heads on them. Like, talk about cute. Then we have, way back in the dump area here, all kinds of crap happening back here, but we have two sunflowers that have multiple heads on them. Like this guy, there's a bunch in bloom now, but he has about 12. And then this guy over here, I think there's 6 on that guy. I've seen 3 or 4, but never this many. Kind of neat, isn't it? And then this monstrosity over here has got the biggest leaves we have ever seen on a sunflower plant. Like, these things are huge. I'm going to put my average-sized human female hand against one. And see how big it is? It's massive. And this thing is growing on just a pile of dirt. And with the exception of whatever rain happens, we do nothing to these guys. But, you know, we have all of that happy, all thanks to Charlie Chipmunk.